Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best indoor rowing machine in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Rowing Machine. The best option from Sunny Health and Fitness that Frey appreciates is this magnetic rowing machine, which is a higher investment than the SFRW1205, but has more features. You get 8 levels of magnetic resistance, and it folds up easily. Don't discount that space-saving design as a minor feature. Some machines are clunky and tough to store, potentially turning them into temporary clothes storage spaces. This rower's floor stabilizers and transportation wheels are notably well designed. The rowing position is pretty good. We've definitely sat on better seats, but it's good enough for a budget rower, plus a thin foam cushion will make it bearable if you really struggle with it. The footrests are up to the job of holding your feet firmly in place while rowing, although we'd recommend defuzzing the Velcro on a regular basis as nothing ruins a good session more than your feet coming loose. It does have a skin mode, so it switches the display mode every 6 seconds. Pros: display monitor is easy to use. Has 8 resistance levels. Transport wheels are good for moving. Easy to assemble. Easy to fold after use. Cons: build quality is okay, but don't push it too hard. Number 2. Our second best pick is Concept 2 Model D Indoor Rowing Machine. If you've ever used a rowing machine at the gym, chances are it's from Concept 2. Gym owners love it almost as much as online reviewers. An astounding 95% of Amazon customers give it a perfect 5 stars. The Model D can also record your workout data, and thanks to its caster wheels, you can easily move it around your home. Formerly known as the Model D, the rower features an advanced PM5 performance monitor, improved ergonomically designed handles, adjustable footrests, and a flywheel designed for smooth movement with minimal noise. Customers can now choose between 2 leg length options. An aluminum I-beam monorail and stainless steel track provide a consistent back and forth slide. When done training, you can quickly break down the rower into 2 segments for storage or use the included caster wheels for easy transport. Rogue also offers an optional space-saving wall-mounted rower hanger. The rower now includes a bracket for mounting your device to the console during use. The Concept 2 rower provides one of the more comprehensive, full-body workouts of any fitness machine. Engineered to last a lifetime, it's low-impact enough for use in physical rehabilitation centers, and intensive enough to be used by the world's fittest athletes. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sunny Health and Fitness Obsidian Surge 500 Water Rowing Machine. This rower has 16 fan blades enclosed in a water tank, creating the same feel and resistance you'd get while rowing on the water. The LCD monitor shows your stroke count, calories, and distance, so you can create the perfect training plan for you. Without a fan resistance feature, you'll get a super smooth stroke, and the only sound you'll hear is the water swishing inside the leak-proof case. Sunny Health and Fitness's Obsidian Surge Water Rowing Machine offers a significantly more affordable alternative for those looking to reap the benefits of a water rower without having to take out a second mortgage. Hyperbole aside, water rowers can be pretty pricey. But at roughly half the cost of most, the Obsidian Surge is surprisingly competent and should suffice for beginner to moderate level rowers. Highlights of this model include a sturdy steel frame, a heart rate compatible monitor, and a solid warranty. The Obsidian Surge is the best water rower. This review will take you on an up-close and personal tour of everything this rower has to offer. After reading this article, you'll know everything you need to in order to figure out whether or not this is the right rower for your home gym. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Velocity Exercise Magnetic Rower. The Velocity Exercise indoor rowing machine combines electric tension and drum magnetic control, delivering smooth resistance that's both challenging and worthwhile. Its adjustable foot straps and a deep, ergonomic seat allow you to row comfortably, and the machine also has a compact, foldable design, so once you're done, you can stow it away easily. If buying fitness equipment for the home, there are two things to consider. Will it fit? And is it noisy? The Velocity rower scores well on both. It would fit in most rooms, see dimensions below, and folds up nice and neat for movability and easy storage. The seat is not the most comfortable one we've tried, but it's fine for even long sessions on the machine. The track, the part the seat slides along, is smooth, and also quiet, so you glide freely even at high stroke rates. The Velocity Fitness Rower is a great package for the home fitness machine user. It's quiet, smooth, and has the added benefit of preset programs and a heart rate monitor for specifically targeted training. Pros: it's very quiet. Good choice of programs for varied workouts. Smooth action. Cons: the warranty is very short for a machine costing this much. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Women's Health Men's Health Bluetooth Rower Rowing Machine. If you're looking to get an in-studio experience without a hefty price tag, this Bluetooth-connected rowing machine gives you access to tons of free workout programs included on the MyCloud Fitness app. There's no video-compatible screen, but you can access destination rowing workouts and coach-led workouts from your phone, then rest it in the holder. An intuitive smart dial also does the math for you, displaying your speed, strokes, and calories burned. Clip-on handles included for additional exercise options. Raised seat height of 21 to 22.5 for easy get on and off. Real full range of rowing motion with dual independent rowing handles. Smart knob technology, measures resistance level, intensity, and pull length to give corresponding watts, calories, and distance for your workout effort. Large 3.5 LCD displays distance, time, total count, calories burned, strokes per minute, split time, watts, strokes. Bluetooth Smart Cloud Fitness with free MyCloud Fitness app available on iOS or Android to help track and monitor your workouts. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.